Good morning, everybody. How are you doing today? My name is Joshua Young, and today my presentation will be on Bluetooth technology. So, with a raise of hands, who all here knows what Bluetooth is and how it works? A good amount of us. So, before I begin, let's start with a brief history of Bluetooth. In 1998, Bluetooth was introduced and shown to be a great replacement to using wires. In 1999, Bluetooth 1.0 was introduced to the world, and it was shown to be much faster than the original. 5 short years after that, we got Bluetooth 2.0, and it was released to the public as a much better Bluetooth distribution. Then 4 short years after that, in 2009, we got the high-speed Bluetooth 3.0. So, how does Bluetooth work? It is a standard that uses tiny frequency chips on any device that can be plugged into a device such as a phone, laptop, or headphones. Take out your phone right now, and that right there is a Bluetooth device. But these chips that are in your device, they're designed to take all the information that your wires would use and transmit it to a frequency for a receiver Bluetooth chip. This video describes Bluetooth in a much better detail.
This is computer, and this is boombox. For most of their lives, the only way computer and boombox could talk to each other was through a physical cord. Until science stepped in. Using scientists, science implanted microchips in computer and boombox's bodies, and they would never be the same. These chips gave computer and boombox a special power. The ability to talk telepathically. No cords, no cables, just brain waves. And not only could they mind meld with one another, but they could communicate with any other microchip boy in the whole wide world. This is basically how Bluetooth works. Using both hardware and software elements, Bluetooth establishes a universal language, which devices can use to talk to one another. No wires needed. These days, computers, speakers, cell phones, earpieces, and other devices, made by any and all manufacturers, are born with the ability to speak Bluetooth. Once devices are paired, one is designated the master. It coordinates communication between all the other servant devices in its domain. Servant devices can send and receive commands to any other device, using the master device as a kind of liaison. Communication is broadcast via a low-level radio wavelength. It's a specially reserved frequency band that won't interfere with or get interference from radios, TVs, cell phones, or medical equipment. But because the radio waves are so low level, devices need to be kept within about 30 feet of each other, or the signal can drop out. Oops, sorry about that. Or the signal can start to drop out.
Alright, so now that we know what Bluetooth is and how it works, can anybody give me any examples of a Bluetooth device? Yeah? Any others?
Bluetooth speaker.
Those are all good examples of a Bluetooth device. Other examples would include a smart TV, a MP3 player, or even a desktop computer. So back to what Bluetooth is. The video said there is some like low radio communications. That's thanks to the IEEE 802.15.1 specification. And they have a common range of 10 to 100 meters with a normal data rate of less than 1 megabyte per second. So in the coming years, we are expecting many more versions of Bluetooth and many more devices to be compatible with it. Most major companies nowadays are only switching to Bluetooth and are taking away the cables. Any questions? This ends my presentation on Bluetooth technology. Thank you.